Well, as you can see, that was the private plane we've now seen this time anyway, but this is the ultralight plane we've now seen this time anyway. But so as you can tell, that was the ultralight plane we've now seen this time anyway. So as you can tell, which as you can see, that was the Avid flyer. That was the as you can see, that was the Avid flyer we've seen that time anyway. So yeah. So as you can see, it was that one here. We're just seeing that was the MK.IV STOL. That was. As you can see, the registration is GPI double L. That is. So as you can see, I don't know where it's been to anyway, but as you can see, it's kind of flown here about probably just about under 23,000 feet from here anyway. So yeah, as you can tell, it's literally just flown here about 23,000 feet from here. And as you can see, the registration is GPI that is, and that's the Avid flyer. That is. It's literally just has been taken off at ONS Coldrose this morning now, which looks like it's. I think today it looks like it's been to Bodmin Airfield this morning now. Which as you can tell, this is where it tracks it back to anyway. It's literally just took off at Bodmin Airfield around 12:41 p.m. at just at Bodmin Airfield. Anyway, it looks like, because as you can tell today, it's been visiting Bodmin Airfield today apparently, which that's where it's been taken off from, apparently just from Bodmin Airfield today, as it's been visiting Bodmin Airfield today. Which as you can see now, it's probably now just dropping back to its base at ONS Coldrose anyway, which is now on it's just probably now it's now descending back to its base at ONS Coldrose anyway. Obviously, because now this time we get to see the ultralight plane this time anyway, not a military one, because we've seen quite a few military helicopters around here this morning though, especially we saw the Eurocopter Dolphin 2 and the 3 Merlin Mark IIs, and so yeah, it's been quite a few militaries we've seen so far anyway. Okay, so yep, that was the ultralight plane we've just now seen this time anyway. As you can see, it's just gone out of ADXB. Okay, so yep, thanks for watching, bye bye.